B Pharmacy second semester. One of the important topic that is hepatitis. Here students have to know about hepatitis, types of hepatitis, and cause of hepatitis. They mainly have to know about definition, etiology, sign and symptoms, pathophysiology, management, and MCQs question. Definition of hepatitis. Hepatitis is one of the inflammation of liver. Hepatitis. Itis means inflammation. Hepatocyte. Liver. Inflammation in liver. And there are a number of types and a number of cause of hepatitis. And the type and cause all will affect how serious an illness it is. In some cases, it can be very mild, in other a more serious condition. Then you have to know anatomy and functions of liver. As you know, liver location, it is present in right upper side of abdomen, and liver performs number of functions. Like liver main function is bile production, and bile is essential for digestion, and liver also useful for filtering of toxins, and liver excrete bilirubin, and liver takes place in the breakdown of carbohydrate, fats and protein, and liver also acts as a storage site for glycogen as well as vitamin A, D, E and K. In liver, blood proteins such as albumin is synthesized, and clotting factor also synthesized in liver. Hepatitis. There are risk factor for hepatitis. Some infectious agent is there and non-infectious agent. Infectious agent like virus, bacteria, fungus, parasitic organisms, and non-infectious agent like alcohol consumption due to some drugs, autoimmune disease and metabolic diseases. B Pharmacy second semester. One of the important topic that is hepatitis. Here students have to know about hepatitis, types of hepatitis, and cause of hepatitis. There are mainly 5 types of viral hepatitis is there. Hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. This hepatitis A is always an acute short-term disease, while hepatitis B, C and D are most likely to become ongoing and chronic. Hepatitis E is usually acute but can be particularly dangerous in pregnant women. One by one you have to know, like hepatitis A. First of all, hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is caused by an infection with the hepatitis A virus. And symptoms of hepatitis A you have to know, like flu-like symptoms, abdominal pain, light colored stool, dark urine, loss of appetite, jaundice. And hepatitis A can be contracted by eating food prepared by someone with the hepatitis A virus, or eating food handled by preparers who don't follow strict hand washing routines before touching food that you eat, or eating Suez contaminated raw shellfish, and drinking polluted water, or due to coming in contact with hepatitis A infected fecal matters. You should avoid alcohol consumption, maintaining a healthy diet, and drink plenty of water. Hepatitis B virus you have to know shortly. Hepatitis B virus is one of the virus that cause liver disease, and it can spread from infected blood or body fluids as well as from a mother to her newborn child. And people with chronic hepatitis B infection are at increased risk of end-stage liver disease, that means cirrhosis as well as liver cancer. For treatment, routine vaccination is recommended for hepatitis B virus. Some risk factors also there, and possible method of transmission includes, means route of transmission of hepatitis B virus. Direct contact with infected blood, transfer from mother to baby during birth, being pricked with a contaminated needle, intimate contact with a person with hepatitis B, oral, vaginal and anal sex. Who is at risk for hepatitis B? The person who is there is more chances to affected with hepatitis B virus. That means mostly healthcare workers, men who have sex with other men, people who use IV drugs, people with chronic liver disease, people with kidney disease. These are the person who is mostly affected with hepatitis B virus. And some symptoms is associated with hepatitis B virus that are fatigue, dark urine, joint and muscle pain, loss of appetite, fever, abdominal discomfort, weakness. Patients is associated with hepatitis B virus, that is hepatitis D infection, liver scarring or cirrhosis, liver failure, liver cancer and death. Hepatitis C. In hepatitis C comes from hepatitis C virus, and hepatitis C is transmitted through direct contact with infected body fluids, typically through injection, drug use and sexual contact. Hepatitis C virus is among the most common blood-borne viral infection in the United States, and hepatitis C can be either acute or chronic. Some symptoms is there with hepatitis C that are fever, dark urine, loss of appetite, abdominal pain or discomfort, joint pain, nausea, jaundice. And complications of hepatitis C are cirrhosis and liver cancer. Hepatitis C may be acute and may be chronic. If this hepatitis C lasts within 3 months of coming into contact with the virus, these are the acute. And chronic hepatitis C become chronic more than half the time, and many may be lifelong if left untreated. It can be leads to long-term health problems including liver disease, damage and liver cancer. And what are the chances to get with hepatitis C infection? Like organ transplants, sharing items like a razor or toothbrushes, sharing needles, sexual contact with this. And hepatitis C can't be transmitted by hugging, kissing, sharing food or eating, and coughing and mosquito bite. And there are some medications is available for hepatitis C that are Gepatire, Harvoni, Efclasab, this Vosevi. These are hepatitis D also known as hepatitis delta virus. There may be one MCQ question. Hepatitis D also known as delta virus, gamma virus, beta virus, all of the above or none of the above. You should remember hepatitis D also known as hepatitis delta virus and is an infection that causes the liver to become inflamed. This swelling can impair liver function and cause long-term liver problems including liver scarring or cirrhosis and cancer. The condition is caused by the hepatitis D virus. Hepatitis D can be acute or chronic like hepatitis C, and acute hepatitis D occurs suddenly and typically causes more severe symptoms. It may go away on its own. If the infection lasts for 6 months or longer, the condition is known as chronic hepatitis D. Hepatitis D are joint pain, abdominal pain, vomiting, loss of appetite, dark urine, fatigue. And this hepatitis D infection can be contracted via urine, vaginal fluids, semen, blood, and birth. E and hepatitis E is a potentially serious acute disease. It is caused by the hepatitis E virus. The virus targets the liver, and symptoms associated with hepatitis E are yellowish of the skin, dark urine, joint pain, a loss of appetite, pain in the abdomen, liver enlargement, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and fever. Of hepatitis, common complications are chronic liver disease, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. Discussed here, like around 9 to 10 MCQs I have discussed. This nucleic acid is found in the hepatitis B virus, that is dsDNA, double stranded DNA, and hepatitis Z virus is from the family Flaviviridae. And third, hepatitis virus. This hepatitis virus is not a RNA virus, hepatitis B virus. And the form of hepatitis could be passed via contaminated water or food. A and E can be transmitted via food and water. Definition of hepatitis. Hepatitis is one of the inflammation of liver. Hepatitis. Itis means inflammation. Hepatocyte. Liver. Inflammation in liver. And there are a number of types and a number of cause of hepatitis. And the type and cause all will affect how serious an illness it is. This organ is majorly affected by hepatitis. What organ is mostly affected by hepatitis? You know, hepatitis means inflammation in liver. So here easily you can select liver. In a sample of blood, doctors look for which of these elevated levels to confirm hepatitis. Interferons, calcium, liver enzymes, and thank you.